Ebi no say fa so bɔ man so ntwerɛfo. Ɛno nti ɛna Kumawu television yakɔfa dwumadi ato no din Sinupi ɛde ɛbrɛ wo. Sinupi ɛyɛ amanyɔsɛm. Right, ɛnɛ ɛyɛ ɛda ɛdwoada the 18th day in the month of May 2020. Yɛatena se ɛmra so sɛ dwumadi ato no din Sinupi on Kumawu television yɛde ɛbrɛ wo. Ɛnɛ nsɛm no ɛdɔso na hyɛne so sɛ on Facebook obetumi ɛnya ɛwɔ Facebook no ɛyɛ Kumawu TV. Like here, now I share the amount no for Sanso and on YouTube no Sandakus TV. Your editing como, Ibinyamra editing como pa and the issue of COVID-19, the novel coronavirus 17 has so far in Ghana. Amount for mu enya bieno, bit me I say a few weekends now no Saturday ABC no from Kakra, and then the recovery rate no so crossroad. So it's becoming like a good news to all of us. 29 deaths. And they are recorded so far, and then 1,754 recoveries, and yet to me, and our mind Ghana. Those infected with the novel coronavirus, no, 5,735, and I already be account. If you must say energy, because there are a lot of people are Ghana Health Service, former Director General, and then the currently one and advisor to the President on health. Dr. Nsiansare say, yeah, we need about 1,500. In few days to come, no, almost so bit me recover. A home come CCT, NAT, TEU, and NAGRAT. In the Omoya some people share more. The Omo can say Ghana buying SA Beya, Yemomodia, na Yato Nema, you said Yebeya, at least by next month, no, a bit me a dear, na if you to more, Omo et to me about my day, no more coach them of Fana dear. Almost see proposal buying the bread of mono. Omoni aban said I adwen sa. Ebenyam re ne ye de ho nko. Ede na NDC empanifo bi eka ede afa the new recovery rate yensa eka wo Ghana. Mame Joyce Bawa Muntari aid to the former president John Dramani Mahama kasa. Was say the people no recover 10 no be no. Figures say they see ban ebeya yen put into a strict proof. So na Tamales South Mrasebedwani Alhaji Sule Sohuni. Dear Alhaji Sohuni dia tuja ene se said the nema AC chrono. Ebia nipa no ho tom na Ramadan ntia. Ebenyamre ne di ho nkomo. National Peace Council so akasa the afa the rate at which political parties lambast the Electoral Commission of Ghana. Almost serepa Electoral Commission for yemom kwan no mutimi omajuma. Over the weekend, on last week Friday, His Excellency the President was in Asante region. Now, a diano, a maternity and children's block, Confanote Teaching Hospital in the world. Over 44 years, and a day siwa, Liman Penso, near here. In the people within Asante region, anyone who jaya self Confanote Nano, Atiasem there. Ibinyamre, na yet to me the home and como eufia. And I'm a bit of fun at Tracy. Yen Chia Homra, Yaba, Yaba Tracy. Na ye Sinupi adwena my Ghana ho so na bebe tumpon a ignan hye a amam mpanifo eye omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apagya efira tifi ekwatoye epoye ekosi anafo obi a kire na adwen ebi so oman na ekoso ebi so oman na nkoso ebi no se fa so bɔ no man so ntwerɛfo ɛno nti ɛna Kumawu television yakɔfa dwumadi ato no din Sinupi ɛde ɛbrɛ wo Sinupi ɛyɛ amanyɔsɛm Sinupi ɛyɛ nsɛm a ye bomo suko ene abedwafo ahia adwoada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Shia na ene abedwafo ahia anyenyo no man ho yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi atumpo Sinupi on pen na da wo kofo sen eno hu Ghana
ya ye mobo wo Ghana etisika so o man nya ohia man nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no ekomde
on penenda Mahama so say
fertilizer ye cry ya ye tro say ye nton not for sale and obi de not no wan hu for sale ekuafo entimi antono ankafa chiche omo ma fertilizer na da hosa e ma fertilizer na be say
won so eden e na kan e da for me ngo man no e say
ye ku adwuma e wo district yi mu my problem is we you adwuma na isi abe o we o be fa ni nyina ase ni nyina abre unu ya obi ani wo ba beto nti wutia na ho kire na wutim nti ehwe hu se galamsey no gold wa asase no ene ehya asese ye de ahoden be ye ni sika de be ha afidie ma ye de ahoden ebetutu fom ni ya pa ya no oduane ti tutu ya nso ye tutu ye nya kakra de beto oduane abi enu ti na mbato se ye tutu asase no
nti hyiame sir Mike Ejuada ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. na yenhia ya bedwafo ni to adwen yehwe kwampa be fa so a oman no ebetumi atumpon
yo Ghana for musonfo Eugene Moses Apedi dodo na afre me Ochinozo 1 the only one in Ghana wajuma ne say ye dwumadie bi akoma TV akofa aba eden na otimi ye enwa aba wajuma ne say ye dwumadie a mempese obia be ne ho afrim biase obi wo a wonsa dwuma enso ahinta Bible says also kanea ehye mpediase a enshren ebia na opese yeshren wadwuma ne ma mo TV afato no so say dwumadie ebeboa he nyina se wo yeso
right yes Emma Makwaba Emma Sinupi on Kumaut TV mabedwafo atenase Emma Makwaba na afi yenhye nkomotwetwe no ase chairman Inusa Sedu national communication team member for the NPP and then regional coordinator Hefra. Chama Kwaba.
Sema kenwa.
We have a coordinator.
Yeda nyakumpo nase.
Nime koso kama.
Kama.
Onso ayefe.
Wa usha.
Ho ayefe.
Amamumpa. Ena yedi Edware Ghana. Ghana ko. Okay. Yewo president a owa abadaye. Ope nipa asa. Odwin nipa ho.
Okay.
Oyen oyirnu hu eye dwuma sene be ya Ghana nyina ye hu be toye won usha policies na ye di atoho na ni nyina ye policies a odwin sabi ya ye nibi won ye policies ni nyina usha most of them e fa sa line do wo bi a
we ya kwaba no ho ayefe o na ade nan policies ni ade
me say policies no ena ma nipa
ama ho yefe ndio no so na makwante bi ono so nsa na ho nyefe no so the policies na mo ano na
me obia ni hosa anopa ina mo radio so with NDC ni in fact na no ho fetchen me ena na me bisan say opposition pa na o say chama na wa usha do COVID-19 sana esi pansen amai surround no Ghana ye dia no entisa ni nyina efi policies pa enyuma pa president edi eto
right
oye
me da say Crosby Charles ama regional chairman UPP Crosby Akwaba
so Mike Medioso
ibi abokode
na kokon adom ya sorry timi abeta han ko ade ni asede mu obi akanyame ho
sure
se de nyankopon ase but o ho afu
me da say so why ni nyago what you really would na we have finished
ya Ghana ntime ya bi na ade se ni din no e won say sem person missioner na president na
nti ube na nkonya ni din aka
nti da bia me sentma na ni din na menim say atihide tio say ade se ogbonhwe mame
okay
din no ya afọ benim so kaka
the listeners be be say
but
your viewers no bi obi onim no betumi abo
mate omohe no ngo di ma me identity no ye said ye do ase ya to apo machine the din no
but mama me share say ho so far COVID-19 we have 5,735 and enya bi am forecast recovery rate no as a cost do within the shortest possible time na yenya 1,754 you say on ato wo mo ebi mo say as a figures no man for kukugum ebi mo so kra so we me say emre bi atwam na Dr. Badusa Akode ka say ahwe on be test once no ebi na mo de adwuma yi o so ne sa
so Mike mamenchia aye adofo asame omo agebre ehwe na minchie kura menim say mo program aye beyond Ashanti region but ye kura aye otufo say tu echie na nane ni panimfo mamenkwa me party na menko chia ye me amira made na orakosi adeodike leader and founder of UPP party minchia regional executives ene regional minister, mayor, deputy, and other political party chairman for you now. Now, before me call question, so no, but me more a year we see you, and age my phone na kuma uti for you na baso. Me kai say me ba lunch ni bi.
Yeah.
Na after lunch me ntimi enya time emma a year program so na metimi aka say enyoma akona nim. Na on the day of lunch and I see you kasa me hu bibi ewo ne mu na no pay ba madum say enche you move to radio.
Okay.
Yes.
Say radio can
yeah, the me hu ne say dey na no all kasa the passion and the focus no very soon you at friends radio station you see ano yenya ahwefo mo hwe so we need listeners so mo so be dey a bit intimate who say very soon you move to radio intimate me more CEO ne friends say wo say Mike and friends say we do my phone na me more mabaso ma me nko COVID-19 say Mike ye de hu komo bebre before no Ghana I see ye to nyoma asekakra na mra peje no mo no ne hu say yare no yare bi a say ya antutu nyoma yi a ebekọ akire the president the measures the gukon the ma ye ko friends lockdown ne the keka hu ina and na ye hwe number na do 5,135 and the recovery rate no and then 1,000 plus plus to us because before no now we share the number of your friends cases no and the recovery cases na wo form. But here's the case you see I say I will na me dream be say anka sambre ku anka ye ba match say bia by half of number na cases na ba no half of it e be recoveries but you say nyankopon be
and this how be bia
yes
and last Tuesday Minister of Information press conference omo ye na omo ebusa minister say adan na say recovery rate no e wo form one medical doctor, I think public health director, but this happened they can say almost tested twice. They say no, and yeah, almost here now say near man you be on tested once. Once they say what chairman when you be you tested once now say it show negative. Nyaka se kofi, but they be no so effective. I know now some NDC members be raise concerns no. I say amount for traffic and gumdo. Omo mo atom na ya no kre.
So Mike, me near omo anya adwen say omu traffic gesigo because yare ade bia ukasa wu twantra adom de dey no ebeyi woto
okay
so oni ade nte say obi yare na wo say member ka say asimesi yare na yemfensi ana say menti efo ba bi no say Mike me ne NDC fo ana say omo kasa asam no enya adwen what you should do as a country say who say makano other networks be say anka yebenya anka yenye your friends say yen test every Ghanaian every citizen okay anka yen call your friends say be 1 week lockdown ni yen test because ye war to say
do you have that capacity
say Mike can say yeah me say do what me because no war
mama nkwa ma na somra enei achechere for Ghana proposal asase all the various sectors say a Christian Council say a Ghana Education Service na other associations asase a omni proposal say ko the Ghana Education Service a track character dey come teacher unions no say omo ever proposal amra say post restrictions no on the ban no eba achechere for no be school adesua for ba ko sua de e de na wo say omo ye the teacher union CCT coalition for concerned teachers president Kenali eni nkomo na ye nhwe omo so take Kenali oti enka e mo adoba kuma TV so hello Ken oti enka
metimu kama jeso
good GSM fa proposals mra on how say bi omo resume say mofa nko school a mo so madwen say de be ya mofra no e kwara chechere fo ne kono obi nkwati ya bi nfa nko obi proposal be na mo de ko
me da sibebre na minche oti fo nyina na me fa kuna we so nchia achechire fo nyina edi kan no obi ni o me mo be ka se bi school sa ya close do na ye lieda ninji me se be ba so sa e de these two shall pass. They are school the other co. No moment the church for unions here can say until say Yari we never tear see may you quire ever faso Eddie so no. Who say you be schools no. More especially no. The dear interest Ghana CCA cases no conform. Brand new inclusive schools no. Many time you pay no many are really be Ghana. This is here na nipa no mwenye bi no ekika ko 6,000 no ene ekwa ko bi schools na ene schools no so no se ni fitie no okoye dormitories na nkwala no toso mobile apiso okoye classrooms no so asa okoye lower primary no more the free KG any primary 1 to primary 6 no grade omokra put the things say betimi ni omo akasa na preventive measures to say washing hands, wearing of nose mask, social distancing on Betiasia. Minimum quite better so a color class 1. You better change say only social distancing on Betiasia. Minimum quite better so you better more Matiasia say a free milk. There is no more break. Into Mamun could be a group of abonting. Into see a breaker, Bakona Maha, Nabako Sonantena. Or church use social distancing, no fine charge, and I said then. Want to say, but see, I read that see ye no, and who he has to be schools no. With time, you know, you better see, I read that see ye. Says that they have other diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, HIV, I ne, Yarenu Gusuo. Now, so they are reading it. You say, I read a tenacity, and I know I read it. But see, no. So far, COVID-19, we are seeing room in ano. The diano nimdia for foba. See a crown research a free Italy abakrapo say at the end of lungs of Kwani attack akuma a mass stroke as an eku. The dia before foba we say when you drew we say there be we say see until say be that clear we who say and econo. And we say they use your future leaders no. Acquire guinea pigs, acquire this kind of experiment. Say, omunku school, ya church for the day, yan peso, yan peso sa.
But I can say, Okasa, say, I want to say, but TSC, yan TSC could say, Minister for Health, at the moment will say, the virus, no, it has come to stay. We must learn to live with the virus. And then, more far, my dreams, they being crow. Now, because on to some of the TSC. No, saying,
the virus it has come to stay, and we have virus that come and lives. Well, virus, and I say, I read you a bar as an epidemic and as a pandemic, a total microcram manila every system no more. But that's notwithstanding, no. Yeah, Grenadier, yeah, true Ebucrat also at the common Ghana Education Service. Yeah, the Ghana Education Service, any Ministry of Health, and I say Ghana Health Service, any Yuma, and you money Yuma, any Ghana Education Service, any Yuma. Into a tray kata, actually, I can add a quack trouble. There was a Ghana Health Service, ETIAS, and say, the fact is, say, yeah, for no, does not mean, say, we have no idea in health. So, Motias say, when you come to our various schools now, we have people that also have some kind of knowledge in health, some basic knowledge in health. Now, the can say the virus has come to stay, but until say about or what you compare HIV and malaria, for example. HIV, for example, no, in the early 90s, you know, so we took HIV, you know, HIV, I won't test crap commercial, it's a feed the idea, it will quiet spread it. But for coronavirus, yes, it's a will be. Not say, or Casacra, no Ben, or maybe, or Bowa, maybe. I mean, so many things here and there. You to me and you may be a CE. Into a Montreal and maybe a CE. Yet, you be a CE, me, young vaccine. Yes, that is a so arena no. Now, infection rate, you know, as that is a cough about. Now, this will go back to our schools. Well, the thing you can take credit here, Eddie.
Okay, but another way is numbers, Nadia, you say, any day a doctor could be Kakra. More, say, we do saying, and Timra saying, and Sana more not unions, no. Mama approve, I said, my friend and teacher for no school.
Na mpacho man to asem bi sani ye.
Na me bisa say now year call lockdown and I say year two schools no na figure no was ever form. Say I could 5,735. More teacher unions no more hwe ni mo say figure no go group by saying and say no mo say afi de eye my friend be to school.
Oh there be enu de obi ni wo betumi akasa say o pese figure no go group say there be. Na mmom no the year can say I was say you drew stage bi a yehu ni say ya tena say for about a whole month, for about 2 months, for about 3 months you get new infections and as a new infections nearby no ever from 1 2 1 2 1 2 and then in that case you know we are good to go even if your cases every 1 million now say we stop having new infections we can go to school.
No, okay.
But so far as I say, we are getting new infections by the day. Then new infections now is within the community. I didn't chance here no more no munye bino eyo more omu free ama hodro so ebo meyimu. Se sia no omu munye bino eye timemu a omu ntu kwa poda. Obi wa passport kwa poni bi omu no master ti enye yare ni sesi. Wow, into the infection and the spread is within the community. What is the evidence? Says Ciano, Yaso in the various communities. Even the Yasa Council say Ciano, the various precautionary measures like the Veronica bucket, running water, soap and water view, nose masks, in a so for are they available to be given to students, pupils and teachers? Which there's no evidence says Anyomano error. So if there's no evidence says Anyomano, I don't think I will say abuse schools.
Okay, but can who call by me to say Western region, Dromoro, ya site GS, I face max bibri, I'm remember students no. If they're able to provide all these things, Mobama Pine say I'm a friend go school no.
I said GS, face max, Edema students say AC cano and your face mask no kwa wow me mention your ma ebua me to me see arena no wearing face masks no one of them.
Yes,
but what we are saying is Western region is not the only region in Ghana. We have 16 regions in Ghana now and we have schools all over. What are the preventive measures you put in place in all the schools around the length and breadth of this country?
But I don't think the ministry, another education service, actually every teacher unions no say, proposals. Why don't you put this on paper?
Medical culture will say, in many many workers, yeah, dream po ye fee say I was say yeah no. You be a good cat also and a common education service and some make a win in a womb.
Okay.
In the actually must say before they be school no, we need to do ABCD. Send you be save lives. Near save and qualano. Nempo say to me crop and be a school for a whole academic year. That's a later a be school now. We can still find ways and means of increasing contact hours and making up the loss.
Okay.
Now so say could be a school slow and we are not say we go and lose 1 or 2 lives of other teachers or pupils or students. Those lives cannot be reclaimed. In the year being shared there, you are trying at the Akumaga education center.
Okay. Ken, you're not saying you come TV and you are here for that.
Yo.
Okay. I was for Ken Ali, a president, coalition of concerned teachers. One of the teacher unions are say music and money. Someone said, and here are now the cases of COVID-19 infections. No, I bet also pa. Finally, the 2 hours on the Fabian.
Yeah, many media know a year, mess a friends, Minister of Education. Say, am I young prayer? Ye wa kwala me say omuka say so chen ye bie school kwala nkoso I will never say mama me ba akoschool.
Okay,
why? Because akwala to me say a friend say no smarts no for a friend say a product outwards on the background onkwala so ye onkwala say na even impanimfo ko no mo e friend say GHS ne e friend say SHS no ko ano still the more that be dey ebaba so me advice ne say abani nya abotre ya ma ye ho up to May ending to June ye hwe say yare no ebekọ fom e say na ma no go so make us a recovery rate no e say no e cost because to last weekend they buy a friend say cases about 5,700 and something no e bi say down back but recovery no e baso enti ye ma ye ho up to May ending to June ho ni hu say o sisi ade recovery we no e match cases no
but the teacher union speaking say omo person omo hu say bia a month or two e bia few infections
say and no dey nya dey expecting bet me am I say a month or 2 minutes say
bia na dey record the case
no it can be possible.
It's possible.
It can be possible, Sir Mike. It can be possible. Where you are no, Sir Mike. I say, also can friends community spread way no. A big one, who can be say yes, no, you test one. The rest of or more when the contact no. Say yes, who test negative. The rest of them conform when the contact with you no. Or major, it's wrong.
Yes, I will say. When you be now over treatment. You tested one, na say bia wo no, you tested one no.
You are negative.
We are negative. The idea they say e between am akofie. That is what some people are saying. Say now we use.
Say Mike, as a country, yan tu ye boasi.
Okay.
Last we be so be say the way you really be no. Say omo testing say negative or concern be no be. The negative say it's possible so be say.
Right. My question is Chairman, you are with them. You are part of the COVID-19 team.
Yes.
The teacher for King and the recovery rate among whom say I said more figures no. Nya no correct. Now mo pesa Ghana 40 months na is nya kwan. Year in registration team. Now mo pesa mo say Ghana for one matter. But it's not so. Yenti.
Okay, so like me that say. Mami so me fa akunya we so na me chia your listeners any your shefo. Any your party mpanyufo a more assentement mo ha. Let me start with baby King Ali or the SC no. To be honest with you, menini ya adwin awo akwan be so. What must say? Your funny say and more to the point no. Baby na menini enya adwin ni say let me begin from that place. Baby menini enya adwin say they are not asking them to bring the plan so that tomorrow your baby is school. Yes I know
No.
They are asking them to bring a plan. Ebia plan ni kra na omodi beba no afei na ye dwuma wo ho. Nti eno no wan hwa eko be say around September thereabout na we can have anything to do with that. Nti na okasa say you see
around September.
Me madwin na me.
But information yan say next month final years na be ko from 3 GHS SHS.
Me need some information no.
Okay.
But me nka say ne wo kan yen no correct because me nimo unka unfa bottom enka asam. But me need some information no. But near me can say they are not asking them say omo fa plan mra na ochina na ya bia school. Me imagine say e bia even afei na omo chro plan no ade aba na omo receive plan no omo ye ho ejuma as omo ma advice based on the current situation no ama advice na modalities no na omo dia na ya return back to
my member we came na so bit me aboa me ho a.
Okay.
Institutions,
yes,
groups, associations, organizations and any proposals echo because the government has requested for that.
Yes.
GS edge their call.
Yes.
Oche Christian Council omo they call the Islamic unit another union they call GPI2 for the omo they call. Easy so the end they call now because we know say the electoral commission will also be engaging the public.
Easy dia no omo dia konyen ne.
Omo dia come aban no.
Yes.
Okay.
Easy omo ba GMA Ghana Medical Association abe G advice.
Okay.
Esa ko Ghana Health Service ana ono omo edi enkita ho ene omo saji advice. Nti easy dia no proposal what they are called enye ne.
Na abana jatuma na
afei na aban ehwehwe
I consider.
Sa aban on sorry enye dwuma protocosa owo experts a ɔmo wɔ n'akyi ɛba saa na ɔno atoma ɔmo sɛ mu na mo yɛ experts nti mu ngye mu nso na mo wɔ field mu nti mu ngye na mo nyɛ bobo na yɛhwɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ na
back to GS
right nti na I was saying say it's not like you see ɔmo fa plan no mbra no ɔkyena yia na yɛbɛbie school nyɛ saa na ɛti but na ɔkasa no na ɔchannel ama na ho ama na
because the information yeah reliable information is the month of June final year students of the SHS no ɔmo bɛkɔ school.
Me need some information, okay. But to be honest with you, from where I'm coming from, I would advise that my young sir.
Okay.
What am I saying? But me need some information, and my personal advice is saying, my young sir. So Mike, yeah. I say I'm for fun and serious, but devilish, dangerous. Yarea yenim say. Say na you focus your attention to deal with it or china na adani say na ya dani you focus alcohol no research for we labs more mu research efa ho or china na adani say that is what COVID-19 is automatically say and yes say you need coronavirus our system no na e wo dada but this particular strand no a very deceptive and very deadly. On say na yes starting on na yenim say a lungs disease.
Yeah.
Na a lungs disease na obia enim and even class sana China for no tro ekoma World Health Organization. Yeah, kasa it is not so. Assistant.
Last time I overheard say the semen crano. It me from ba.
I don't have that.
Okay, but that is information.
But near me, no say it is now Muja Yari.
Okay.
The virus are affecting or they are attacking the red blood cells.
Okay.
The attacking red blood cells to disengage it from the iron now, producing oxygen. Eddie brains.
Okay.
Na lungs no. Na enu air fight to produce say antibodies.
Okay.
Yeah. But it is not made by Almighty God to do that. Until producing antibodies now I am right. When you say already your lungs is not like heart. Until this is the strand of disease now. First now it could not, it was heavy. Now mucus, the one that is coming from a person's mouth, cough or sputum, no. Now it was heavy. It could not travel beyond
a certain distance.
See, I can say it has transmogrified into BB lighter. I bet must stay on the atmosphere for some few hours now.
No, so when it has come to stay.
Yes.
We would plan to live with the virus.
I say advice now or the man. Kasa kwa kasa emu do. I was say di pinsim awum. Hwe nia na o patch ne say enye say ye be sorry ochina no na yare no akowo.
Mame nkwa ahoma somra ba se ne so say we are live on Facebook Kumawood TV and then on YouTube Sam Dakus TV. O comments not drop na enyam ranking kan fa mama ne ona wo kwakuta di tika so tebe nkan. Hello honorable. Too bad.
Okay. Ntini na me kan say advice na health minister Odimayano or the my send be ya ye ba boa ya ho in some ways na ye ni yare no ebetmatna because at the long run no e was say yetimi pie ekoye edwuma ana say e was say ye open up kakra na yetimi ye but it happen in innovative manner hwe ye ka say
mama ne honorable kokutani chikasi ehwesa mesaka no honorable te nka ye mo adwa nwumre ba kuma TV
yo ya就
Bibi abako de.
Yamra gumo wadi ate.
Good. And I saw Yamra Maye. Wadaroma as panic healer in West Africa. Yare COVID-19 says the AC Cree Moon is saying.
From the point of view planning in India, I'm a general person, Arabia. See, I put from Catherine.
There in our from a share say 2. Say 5,735. You look at a from one, a from saying.
Make us say, who not church, you know.
Okay.
I put from Catherine. And who not talk for the amount for immune system no can fight.
Oh, okay. Now I say fear no. A woman no. It's a man for you. I didn't be tentem.
Yes. Who no cry for my I because honorable Selma no cry say who virus is there yellow pea. Now, who knew what they never I had the best me now. I don't want to because what could be around more than it's about whatever to go. You can't tell almost had to tell 4 million why they are there. I have my heart behind the top. Because now the immune system no strong.
Okay. Now looking at the recovery rates, no. Ghana Beka say a year.
Well, with the records, no. Me moment dispute more because then you want it. Nipa mako from and yata yadier.
Okay.
Aha. And say you mukro part of Nipa kokro point yata yadier. And the issue also with Ghana, there were a lot of backlog. It's a home 100 people normal reported so much. I have backlog. It's a bit man to say. When you below, yes, no. When you're tested, yes, when you 2 weeks, another within 2 weeks, no, they have to test who said, yeah, and then a couple one has a couple.
Okay.
And also backlog and I'm a one. Retesting to verify the way what they are a couple days, they are just 2% backlog on tomorrow. In the best way, I said, backlog need to ascertain that you are just first one, second one. Upon negative, let's say a person third one. Third one never confirm it, still are negative one. No one confirm no say. Why do you know? What you are for? Now for a little bit now a backlog. Into one day, it's a bit now to use surprise. 1,000 people backlog in the file. The third testing, no, after we open there and what on. I don't know.
Okay. Nti omo ase omadwom yon tanta se aban no any Ministry of Health na ase omo kuku figures bi no ono mo nya adwen.
Oh, the point who said they are called me I politics are called logical logic na make am wow. Say you just told me say there were backlog.
Yeah.
It's now they call this airman. Ebia there 2-3 days so any update there 4 days maybe 700 people about say you're increasing by 700 if 900 now I don't book 1,000 something you understand?
Yeah.
And your backlog the same way to the make about the recovery in the backlog man I said 24 and I said 100 and something. I wait to jump out for 1,000. It's possible.
Okay. We are not saying you every premier no bidding come people. That's far.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Honorable Kokutanichi Kese, a former member of parliament for Evaluate Ajomaruja constituency. And then Pranik Hiller, West Africa, on for Drew and Canipabia, also Nipabium. Then so, Amudo Monsem say na Yaribi Nipabium, no ye figure. Almost says Yari about COVID-19, almost 70 pa. I remember, and then this year never did some.
Yes, Samai. Good. Medasi. Ntina me ka na me wo advice na Minister of Health or the mind say ka yen CC ye hona yen yare no entina no. Yeah, and na me say on opache say yentimi nsori ochina pe na esi yare no akọ eni hobby nso yentimi nka them for the rest of our life. Okay. Nti I was say ye innovative ways because some other countries ye bi there was say innovative ways ye betimi and live life normal. Though to me must say ye be live life to say before COVID-19. It will take a lot of years. And then the Namika. Then omo ka say your recovery we no
rate na
as
a contentem to do.
Semai, to be honest with you, me nim say bebe me ye juma no ntia na, but me ti say obi ti say ne oka asam no eka that type of asam na me ti ye no I was scandalous. Na me say there be on kan ye ngin di say obeka sa asam no nti me ko no page so ena me ko hu say eda hono nti na me hu dreaming pa say somebody can talk like that. Say my a basic calculation say na Pranik Hill and Okano. Adi as we speak right now yewo nkophobia yaya first test test negative and they are in hundreds of numbers. What do I say? And then we have taken the samples again somewhere last week. Echo tests. You say by Friday, NASA Ebabaka, NASA, all those people have tested negative again. We have to declare them recovered. Okay. What do I say? Oh yes, Anna.
Double testing or single testing?
Double testing. Okay. We still insist double testing. Ebimu expensive to do the testing because this is na Pranikil and Okano. Testing the deep type of testing Libya. Even one nukra could have clear say a new mujemu. But to be sure, because of the strength of the virus that we are dealing with and the deceptive nature of virus, we agree say we should do the second testing. Send by your test 2, that's how we are negative. Then keep you on the same treatment for some time. Now you test to you. Until min kapi our near a honorable Mukhtar okay me the channel. Okay. Now would you the first time we into the one I because Anna Alhaji Hassan Subini Kanye. I say first and I'm more so Abuakra. You see, we need to be careful. We cannot be joking with God. What must I say? First and now, yam paibo be most especially yam paibo efra sana ye tibia ACTCCA. Say nyankumpo on huyemobo. What must I say? We all believe, say, God has the power to do that. Both Muslim and Christian. Nemu. There is another way say you don't sit and expect manners from heaven. Okay. What must say? Until near Okano, it could be deceptive to some others. Until young funny say na odiagro. Okay. Odiagro. Man can say Ghana, Mumpa world concerning this pandemic. Not just say me kasa first one or not. You are interested in getting to the end because manya dikaya ka say onyankumpo wo tumi say obetima yesa and masaka so say ye bohum paye say especially ye tibia ye find ye at this moment no ye bo mpa say nkanyanko pon ho ye mo
Tama Sinupi mame say said next month the month of June
yes
GS any government ka say addition for no school obama abako
also me
obama oba akọ school na so be ka so ntefi Accra
well
yes or no
yes
Monaco
yes
right
but and fun is what rasa because me de be ye me ma no ma ko school one hwa na wu ontemi
ye wo de be ye no as an individual
yes
what you are capable of doing
yes as a moko school
okay
one hwa na wu ontemi
the ono ntimi nye bi de so man ba tena
anti ebias answer no obi answer be ye
different me chairman
no also ono de be ye ba
me chairman enya adwo ade no de be ye ne ba oko school mu na se virus bi be kana enka the other be your ban say obaka chen so on nose mask
yeah
regular
hand washing
regular hands washing on say a friend say away but again they akwalade
okay
on now for book ko dia agro
tell me that say ye ntwe homra sisi ya ba the issue of say ye nyamre na ya kwakoto aba ye register answer and answer you old voter register National Peace Council the amanyofo ede electoral commission o makasa fa ho ye ba ebenyamre na ye di honkomo ye ba sisia
yo Ghana for eyemuso Moses Apedi dodo na afre me ochinozo one the only one in Ghana wajuma ne say ye dwumadie bi akoma TV akofa aba eden na otimi ye enwa bra wajuma ne say eye dwumadie a mempese obia be yi ho afrim yasi obi wo kwa wonsa dwuma enso ahinta Bible says also kanea ehye mpediase a enshren ebia na opese yeshren wadwuma ne ma kuma TV afato no so say dwumadie ebeboa ye nyina se wo ye so food se wo ye dusini se wo ye mesini se wo ton ade wo ye welder just dwuma bia utimi ye bia no Brakuma TV numbers no na screen na se no fa mu bia ne frɛ o fra ya beje wo so ne ya buku na so aba na wa bekyerɛ de utimi ye na mansan so atewonka Ghana hia wo mo a enso ye hu bra ne bekyerɛ de utimi ye wadwuma ne sen me a me di dwuma die brɛ o abo me din ya fɛ me Moses Akwa me da mo ase wadwuma ene sen eden na utimi yo Ghana for eyemusonfo Moses Apedi dodo na afre me ochinozo one the only one in Ghana wajuma ne say ye dwumadie bi akoma TV akofa aba eden na otimi ye enwa bra wajuma ne say eye dwumadie a mempese obia be yi ho afrim yasi obi wo kwa wonsa dwuma enso ahinta Bible says also kanea ehye mpediase a enshren ebia na opese yeshren wadwuma ne ma kuma TV afato no so say dwumadie ebeboa ye nyina se wo ye so food se wo ye dusini se wo ye mesini se wo ton ade wo ye welder just dwuma bia utimi ye bia no Brakuma TV numbers no na screen na se no fa mu bia ne frɛ o fra ya beje wo so ne ya buku na so aba na wa bekyerɛ de utimi ye na mansan so atewonka Ghana hia wo mo a enso ye hu bra ne bekyerɛ de utimi ye wadwuma ne sen me a me di dwuma die brɛ o abo me din ya fɛ me Moses Akwa me da mo ase wadwuma ene sen eden na utimi ye
right yes am makwaba famra Sinupi on Kumawu TV o hwe o screen animu a numbers bi go so eno no eye WhatsApp lines a obetimi e do message na fa so ba na kenkan de amount 0543 596 070 o de ba benya mre na ya kenkan e de amount crab de aba my moso emfa emamo Christian from Kintampo or say Mike good show please tell the teachers to go back to classroom or else forfeit their salaries. Okay. Also, Nana Yaw Amankwa Chirapatre or say, Sir Mike, please, I don't agree with the government. They should not open school for now. My kids will not go. Tell the chairman who is there. to only take care of his children if he thinks he can teach them. We will not allow our kids to go to school. And also, we say, please find it. Okay, I think yours will be read later. I say, great show this afternoon. Please let all Ghanaians be aware that COVID-19 is real. The government is not faking any figures. Okay, Nanama, I don't know. Chairman, remember on EC?
Yes.
The Electoral Commission.
Right.
Almost say registration exercise. No?
Yes.
The information you are picking is that it's going to be held around June.
Yes.
Maybe second week of June. Registration exercise. No. And this is someone here. Now, I say more MPP for money NIA. Electoral Commission. I can't be more. More say more disfranchising Kofubi, especially the stronghold of the NDC. I don't know, yes, sir.
Well, you see, opinions. So, Bruni cast an opinion, not just a agreeing like Obia will not dream or the canasa. Ultima say, I will not take them serious on this particular one. Sana Omagri Ayomo, but young car some water. I was said, Utiminia evidence, Eddie Bata and some.
Now, of course, I'm going to provide some evidence
that NPP is in bed with EC to rig election.
Not that, but almost the NIA, you know.
NIA,
region.
MPP na small Musa Omunya sa ana. Sa particular way na ukano, mami nkoho. Because mayan chirchimu, many time na mayan chirchimu chiro. But the simplest ni say, Ashanti region has the largest population. And for that matter, when they were coming here, the machines were available to be brought. And they brought that. Before Omebahano, if they had started with this place, at that time, no machines were not being near. So they couldn't come here with that number of machines. What must say? Why don't you ask yourself, the last region now, Mukoyeno, and the even northern region now, Mukoyeno, they still sent more machines there. How about that one? It's northern region MPP's stronghold. Into ye car sama, yan throw yan kumpon na yan ka. Though ye politics, but at least yan fa any day Emma Ghana for say. Ghana for they can decipher from and throw broad daylight lies any nuclear. Ghana for has the capacity. They are descending. Otoma say into yan fa any day Emma. Sa no enye correct. However, on say easy no Emra man coin. Say on organizing free and fair election in this country. Say your man point na on CSA na on fire encore election na. What to mean sorry say encore election and then give us the free and fair election now.
Free and fair election no. Only parliamentary presidential one. And I say any election be I say easy conduct no. I say free, fair and transparent.
Anything called election, I will say free, fair and transparent.
But your whole referendum.
Yes.
This assembly elections.
Yes.
Would you classify those ones as not being free and fair?
They are free and fair to the extent say, on say this particular election no, is about political parties, partisan interest. Mami kanchiro, we know. Say it shouldn't be partisan. It's not partisan. It was not partisan.
You're not the only biara.
No. Yes, I met my biara. But Nyamika Akosi, they say, and no, somebody will not go and accuse the other person of something that doesn't even exist.
Okay.
But we know, almost say almost 30 a year. Nti enusano, isinu, it was so oye name finchim, send a bear, onu crampo or go back to the beer or muana, or more dreamono, a bear fine said they have not cheated anybody, but this is the actual resource. But this particular voters register, your parties ni na dia to say is bloated. It was sad. Yes, CC. They are saying it was say yes, CC, and yes, it was say yes, fufro. But underlining factor is say voters rule now you was siano. It's over bloated. It's not credible. Yen na ya dia to musa. Until the only difference is say almost yen CC. And a see, yen fufro. But my memory says here, near all machines no say, who says here and ye because machines it has come to the end of its life. Even your all producing parts now, would be over now, dear question, na ye no on ye pass na bio nti wo hwehwe pass na unye bi wo benye bi no na eye baako nia o wan baako no otonu samre no ade ato ho bese ne a oni djuma bia odi beye and even that no obeto ama aboarding because on him say manufacture dan kasa on ton bio on manufacture bio into unye ne bia and you will be forced to buy
information one they Ghana for electoral commission.
Yes,
and then the opposition, some opposition parties,
yeah, electoral commission including
STL,
MPV,
STL, we have the NDC coming out to say any no correct into make the document no public no be any being kind.
Yes, even right now go to their HSV's website at the hub. They don't manufacture this particular one about to the end of its life. Let me flow and so interject me no. Na me pa kire ni say omusi yesi ye pefu from. CSA no enye yie. Ni entene enye yie ni say ebe ko say more to CS to say na be ye be yie. Manufacture na nkasa or say machine na me no it has come to the end of its life. Ye ko market no ye see ye benye bia to fufuro ewo more features than the old one. It is $3,500 per BV biometric verification machine. One, $3,500. But it will cost us $3,500 to repair the old one. Meanwhile, the new one our features, including facial verification, that are no nibi. We have kind of create and chile Ghana for. So papa sika na say wa sika na udi be kwakwato ade. Na say see that are no who be say no $3,500 per one. Who be to fufuro so fufuro no ewo features bebre eche dada no. And you say $3,500. To be honest, you play fair. Which one will you choose? But you will definitely choose.
You get a new one. But we are not in good times.
Why good times means what? Mami flow. Now almost say we are not in good times, and they are good. They are first. No almost say emrani swap ema easy. No almost say emrani swap.
Yeah.
And then EC brought modalities to take off that. Afe omu pesa omu fa COVID-19 ho e dey ayu akoko.
But is it not true say COVID-19 area the way among political parties who can say people who accuse each other. So the NDC will be about NDC will be accusing NPP, PPP will be accusing UPP in trying to
all around the world
regulations no omu person will register minors. So this time around it will be very difficult even to observe the social distancing.
No. It will not be difficult.
Oh, sir.
Yes. 5 different countries have organized election in this year.
With the new register?
5 different countries have organized elections. South Korea, when they were in the worst, their peak of COVID-19, they held election. And that election, Enukra Abe yes sir, near Amanfo Dudua Ebe 2 about to change what any election that has ever been held in that particular country. But it was held during this year, just 3 weeks ago. South Korea. What they did was not anything outside this world. Something ordinary. They created blocks to be able to do the social distancing. Mark
blocks. Max.
Okay. Blocks.
Okay.
Mark
I don't need voting. But this is registration of the electorate.
It's as simple as that. We can do the same thing. You bet yourself, the guy do to stand here. Okay. The one who is doing will end his term and move. Then you move there. What do I say? Wait a minute.
What police station here? You actually didn't.
I've been voting since 1992.
No. I'm asking this question because I said more Katamoni when so Ghana there you register PNC. But over the years,
yes,
during the period that your registration exercise be had, maintain 160 debia. And there is a situation now you more
that is why we are not in normal times. Into more almost for my being said registration bia and as election bia no COVID-19 benyo.
Okay.
Until they won't even go. What am I saying? They won't go and do hey. They will allow the citizenry to go peacefully, register peacefully, and go home peacefully, and wait for election 2020 to come, so that they will vote peacefully, and MPP will win peacefully, and will sit in this country peacefully, and will develop peacefully. What am I saying? Until we are say Efan say yentimi social distancing no. Nti yan nka yan jai we no. Na yan sie dada no. Na yan fanye election. Election 2020 no. Ye bedru sa time no na COVID no eni ho ana ebisa. Eno de omo se omeye. Na mu registration no. Voter roll no. Yan suspend it.
But of course, ebia na bedru.
You see,
and that's what I say ebia bedru ho na yare no ahode aba fom.
Ebia ye bedru ho no na fufuro so abeka ho. Na ye two viruses two pandemic affect Ghanaians. Say ta ebia.
Tell my main kind of sakra na afi yen trust to my teacher could you temporary so right. Why is NDC afraid of compilation of new register? They only want to be compiled when they are in power. Don't be afraid. After all, EC is an independent body, or you want us to believe that John Mahama did absolutely nothing during his 4 years in office. Teacher could you do the abano Sanda Bia Kaswa Sande Bia Kaswa. The opposition NDC not coping with the EC on compilation of the new voters register is needless, as the Peace Council has confirmed. Why are they not giving the EC the chance to act on its own? Okay, and also the no. Dr. Baba Zamu Master Planner Kintampo, the Abba, was once upon a time, ex-President John Mahama and his NDC told us the EC is an independent body, so we should allow them to do their constitutional mandates. What has changed now? Are they now not dependent? Are they now dependent? Hypocrisy is at its peak. Citizen Francis writes, the EC will not be registering NPP and the NDC card bearer members. The EC will be registering Ghanaians who are 18 years and above and are willing to vote during the 2020 general elections. If you don't want to be registered, stay at home. Voting in Ghana is not mandatory. I don't know. Nana ya Kumeru Besro, right. It is clear that the NPP want to rig these elections. Who appointed the NIA boss and who appointed the electoral commissioner? Why was Charlotte say sacked? These and many more are questions we are asking. We will not sit down for the NPP to bully us. Who jobless? No man cares. John Dramani Mahama will come to power 2020. Rainbow Kaswa also right. It has been a boldly enshrined. It has been boldly enshrined, okay, in our constitution that the electoral commission is independent and therefore no political party has power and control over them. In course of this, the NDC has no control over the EC, so they should allow them to function and compile new voter register. With some powerful agenda will never see the time of these days. Long live Ghana. Also the Abba and Nana Yaumensa from Atebubu, Amantain. We the people of Atebubu agree with the NDC chairman that the NPP are trying to rig the elections. We will not sit down for them to rig these elections. Ask Kennedy upon what they did to win the election. The man at your studio last Friday said they did something to win the elections. What did they do? We will not allow now. Resist, we must.
Which man in
Farouk Tema, right. The quality of our state institutions are what makes our democracy unique among world democracies. No amount of vilification and demonization by the NDC can erode the respect we have collectively helped curb for ourselves. The EC NIA should stay focused. President Akufo-Addo's leadership in this COVID-19 fight has been superb. Okay, and also at the teacher constitution, you are say also right. Ghana is for all Ghanaians, but any Ghanaian who may not wish the country well, especially the NDC, must not be tolerated at all. If they know they don't have anything good to help this country and to fight COVID-19, they should just keep quiet. Ghana is for us. Nana Yaw Ejay Kaswa right. Sir Mike, good show. Please tell the panic healers to come to Kaswa because there are a lot of people who have contracted the disease. They should come and heal us. We are fed up with the Ghana Medical Association. Also, dear, no, Father Bra, na yambre and can come from our. You may know a Sinopi on Comeo TV. More than Facebook and check messages never can kind to me at the amount. John, yes, Mintio, easy. More you people for some more can say.
Sir Mike, political parties are attacking a year easy. Say the Indian no easy independent body. On choosing organizing elections FMI. But as a political party, yes, you too easy for.
Okay.
The electoral commission one can be named a dear show.
You show.
Our bad year didn't be here, no way to who can be on so petty. So, Mike, here my man found someone in 2 ways. Before no, answer the question so bizarre, Chamanusa, as we say, what call voting center.
Yeah, police station, your registration.
Okay,
even not the voting day.
Also, we're voting. We political parties, a do registration. Look at the happening.
Okay.
It was some for the but just ended your friends registration this year. The Bawushu Super Catch also go to the electoral commission office national register. Or check Kuala or Mabu so much and view. Assembly members who are passing some day before
passing for the one.
Yes, passing for the mobile. So they then it's your price easily say before me institutional or compile a year you did to MIA. Now, good point, you have the president before buying, no, the NI buy. Almost as if it was slipping the NFP.
Okay.
NBC buy, no more than 20. MPP sent by the president Akufo-Addo, and a very good initiative. Say every Ghanaian should get Ghana card. The young business say, your TSC say you can see every Ghanaian be in Ghana. No. Yes, you see registration or by your passport and Ghana card.
Yeah.
How many Ghanaians know more passports?
I remember a time when I made registration at Ashanti Regional. My regional boss, no, the one in charge, the coordinator in charge, Eddie Komo. Emma, we said, amount for rights on America, Nibiana. What is one to me cry, Nibia? There will be a time I will be on offices. I am up.
So I couldn't. And I want a power, and I didn't mention. I'm not going to be a big one. So my big mistake. This COVID-19 by before no, and I can say after the registration, they will open offices in every district and region.
What went me and you know?
Go there and do it. Sure. COVID-19 must stop with one way. Why don't you take that advantage to open your present office in this now that this social distance this social way no number for register?
Because you be on the card.
Very good. See that ben na NIA be the juma wie. Yes, no for the timetable and my when them say 5 months where yes cannot it's on to be election because not just say aban that ben and I friends say be a photo exhibition that ben a photo exhibition that ben your friends say file for presidential and parliamentary that ben your friends say be a post here so they say a wall so you yes should come out for the timetable make the mint na and I said, party, you can say party A or party B, a baby. But the year can say, yes, and I should be proactive. Yes, you know, you're too far. Until a man of pro, nature man, a friend say foreign countries be a year example, say, or more actual. Their whites are different from us. The whites, you know, or more, a friend say, you know, it's different from it will never happen in this country. Say, you better say your registration or your two about, you go for so. So that you do that a block way no. But we political parties who go and pass for minus in the
Do you even have the space to do it? Because it's a number no what they are. You say the 400 at 2 about this police station. That one we not restricted. But this one they are trading. So be a president of trading.
But no, I can say you see no. MPP as a friend, such a friend, government, you know. Among suspend your more friends, prime minister because of this COVID-19. So as a nation, me the question maybe says assassination say this when you to aba dey number say this when you to aba na see your boy try to yi this ya we no everywhere and then number
okay you see say obey issue NI Ghana card
any passport
no issue passport more UPP for one of the first people are another first political party ma bonte be kan say mo there even that time when I use nyame ho no na mo say Ghana card no na man kwa
the perfect way it's you way can say you see going to buy new machines no onto the boy say abofo me tire machine am obi can say oh na say NI register 15 years near there which is minus there abofo can do machine amaya apala no wodi wunya duro do settle so it to prove say you are na a friend say we minus so you can vote they can do it for us. So as a nation, no, yet nothing. The young planning ye one, ye more than say, many for 4 and their friends and Dr. Sias, I mean, I say this virus has come to stay. I say HIV. And yet then you go having to edge whether you bring a friend say medicine or a friend say a new group. You go for your friend say you pay or we junior limit. That is not a traditional way. They bomb by so many draw a bit me. Say I really say there every few on kwa yes no ya no about to say HIV your monk of 4 ndonia then we plan for election so they then say na what kind of ye UPP ye chance say ye kasa some way and ye can say to cut everything shorter political party A or B or C because and now your friend say we need a new voter register yes should compete with NIE okay papa we did work quality now for the now and the same thing because you see any registration me cross committee information me and I the same information will give you to your friends
time is it the right time
the time
wrong and
wrong my friends say the electoral commission
but NDC ne other parties no so be almost supported we no and yes omo no na du omo kakra because somebody will ask say invitation no mo say boka later after ma ba mo de be say yare no enye
yes yare we no enye yansu daye adwo mo say this COVID-19 baba ye na ye to na ye prepare ho wo ya we say UPP na be kono for kwa akoto obi ni ade na yare ebebo si ano ama bibia esizia mo all the political parties the regional elections near only make Nigeria just be part UPP only Ashanti region need to be a regional election only Ashanti region so we are there other regions need to be here national delegate congress so we are there it's a number be yet to be for that means other political parties to be
omo wi omo de nti wo na wo nya
me no can say MPP or your friends and primacy and this is the same thing. Your other political parties are the same thing.
And this is few constituencies in the country.
Whether it's a few or large or ni now it's election. Okay. They put you a game electoral commission and say one. So say obey a compilation of new way on it and I in parliament. Okay. More data more for money. Na me find ya media. Na offer the timetable and not continue to say, April June, yes, the bay for the exhibition. April July, yes, no, a baby for filing of presidential and parliamentary. April August, April Senate, then we put the parties also, you prepare on it. Peace lands no move to your phone, and that's what we just here stop this needless attack. They should also advise the letter commission. The electoral commission yet to Kuma, no electoral commission has an eminence committee.
The electoral commission have the mandate to conduct elections in this country.
They have the mandate, but we political parties you will see. We are the stakeholders of yes,
but once you are stakeholder, then we will decide.
We should yes, you advise you. So we advise you, but they should also listen. Get to Kuma on Betty eminence committee. You know, say what the political parties do more. It's different, and that's what your friends say. It's different. You see, a whole lot also. But young person go back and forth here and they see you say, bring your time to me.
Right. It's a good evening, Sir Mike. I'm Sir Clinton, a product of Tamale College of Education. I'm from Efujasi Asokore. Please, we beg Nana to open for us because online learning is not helping at all. Some learners don't have a good environment to read and even use the internet bundles, and even the use of internet bundles is very costly, too much. Nana, please open schools for us, else we will die. We will die finish online students. Okay, Clinton, I don't know, from Fijasi as a Korea, but I think that the teacher institutions, no, somebody say bundles at Omokwa. I know of Kumasi Technical University. I know of KNUST. I said Omokwa. Intimidim College of Education. Most so much. I said it's here. We say, what is the voters register? What is in the voters register that we don't know, and especially to the NDC, that they don't want it to be changed? Okay, we also my regards to Honorable Alex Jan Kintampo South from Adam Dari. Adam, I am a message in a clear crime for my intimi and Kinkan. Right, from Masaudu Bantama, the EC shouldn't allow themselves to be intimidated by the opposition NDC. They should give us a break because no amount of intimidation can prevent the EC from compiling new credible register. New credible register is a done deal, and its movements. The movement is stronger than apartheid. Okay, in regards to Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng, Jacobu DCE. Good evening, Sir Mike. Kindly tell the UPP man, if they like it or yes, we will compile a new voter register. Period. And also, I don't know. Nana Yamponsa from Seshi Akontomra. I say, Sir Mike, I'm watching live. Kindly tell the NPP they can brag in Ashanti region and Greater Accra region. But come December, we will show them that those of us they claim we are villagers are wiser to vote against them. My regards to Nana Yebua of Akwadie. Okay, or not the other. Chairman,
Sir Mike,
letter commissions in Semu. Yes. And you say Peace Council say needless attacks.
Yes.
And I mean Amadema. We can now we can no yaka. Obi busa say a dear no voter register mo a NDC for thing. Say be sesa no. Another question so be say a dear no register mo a NPP for thing. That was sesa no.
Thank you very much. Sir Mike, may answer the last one because more NPP.
Good.
A dear no register mo a NPP for your person yes sesa no.
Yeah.
Yesterday kase za voter register I bloated enye yesterday kase voter registry we our problems enye when we finish compiling the voters register now ye was see ye dikan eka say na the compilation in papa then we were 25 million. It is not practicable anywhere in this world who a population of 25 million. Now voters register with 15 million voters.
And you know free money.
You see? Yangi omu free money. And na NDC for say ye omu voters omu call for Ephraim. Pamno chanu enye fefro. Na enye vigilant. Na make sure say you are using the right machines. Okay. The proper one.
But I see. Clementina, I say big up to Inusa. Okay. Francis Ade, good show. Kumau TV. Sir Mike, Ghanaians should all be careful of this coronavirus because it is very devilish. Okay. Okay. I say watching you live from Atonsu Agogo. Good show, bro. Prince Kofi Dakon Echampong. Right. I appreciate your work, bro. Keep it up. Also, on Facebook, you can kind of Kumawood TV, and then on the YouTube, no, Samdakus TV. What the bar, you can kind of me at the amount. Right, Taman, a dear Namus Wumwa, a Hamosa.
Yeah, two parties now. You knew we have funny and well. You know about the way I will see us at the end. I say, so Omumi no. We see as son, we see a man, son. And the young boy, okay. Because church and my guy, say,
and I won't
say, my
there are a lot of people in Ghana, and I want to register in Ghana.
I don't make a show, say, and I, dear, no more. into a monkey come. And make COVID-19 by so much so baby or more offices now. And get a lot of Ghanaians are called register. Minimum conform register Kumasi up to date to come card. It is a Sunday, there's a night you see your friends say, Onyan Juma in Jomfa register and I say, get no easier. And the years in the zoo, any and I in room. Okay. And there is someone say, how many Ghanaians who say, what passport? Sonia Dente. Sisiano, old voters first ID card no, would be from corporate register you. And it's a woody passport. I was so open for 2. Now your first commission of your friends old Tebeja, Emma was sweating at it. And then people pay and yet market one. So near the end. As a country, no, yeah, transit. Since the end, yes, city letter commission and to Wasi. Okay. Yan to Tunioma, Abano, Yana Yamwa, say Yarewan, a befru. But yes, say up to Supreme Court, yes, to say, yet the party Yaka, yes, to say. Supreme Court ancestors or interpretation as a constitution mine. Because on 6 January 2021, let's say new president, what you do as a country. Okay. Yeah, but what you do as a country. Right. And so letter commission, Supreme Court interpreting mine say. Say yet on 6 December, 17th December. Next January, no ever. What do you do? Because what's your constitution now? And I think Article 68. What
they say, because the president, Ghana Penny say, when you're not doing say, you're being count.
Oh, sir, my God, no, what can I
pursue a 2 about December 7th?
What can I get back? You're real well. Okay, you never dance
good evening, President. Let the Peace Council know that it is better to speak to the rare issues. The EC should rather consider listening to the voice of the people, for the voice of the people is the voice of God. Why have the new register in this period when the EC can hold a limited register to introduce new and eligible electorate? Greetings to members of Titans. Yes, Titans. I'm a Nyampong. University of Education, Kwame Ababa, Kumasi, Kwame de Abba, and no. Chairman, just 2 minutes. Confanochi maternity and
or see, Odi time no mammy, no Wasaji time, or so mammy 1 minute.
I mean, also, my beer line at you. We will be announced, so you can call the volume of your TV set Nako form near Tune Kanyi. Your views, your thoughts, your comments are welcome on 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Chairman.
Confanachi Diano, a very historical.
Okay.
Abaywe, or you're not just say near Uncle for air canon, obey be surunko, obey action. I'm a gunner for and who say no mu canon any near oye. Different. Okay. Any chaka. And ya dear obet nasi ama Ghana sika. Ye dear post to a room and couple. You ever make sure say all the projects now or make a lot of the projects now are cut room. Both near ye started that different governments are starting it. Obeying na maku. Then we are starting free first one. Okay. Nti niye no nti Ghana for enya erehemu say bibia omusika bia enka wrom ye be make sure say ya revive ni nyina se na be ya the benefit na ni almost start sa project no adwin asa mo ye no Ghana for sa ye nya
ya champion six adan no ye ma menum enne baabi a a very beautiful way ye ma menum enne baabi a
right, let me say numbers back on program kakra ho 0546 72 8568 0546 72 8568 e go screen and you wait me afre esiso na afi ye no wadi komo
samai government abako and then wait that to see wo but President Akufo-Addo ayade say waba say omontoa project but I dey papa talking down work man for come say I care champion no see sada on president speech no yetimi ambo pay about so yetimi anana
you shas you know
yetimi money di hede we see yesi wo within the number of rooms 1,000 and something so nya dey obia bibi say what you be saved there the giant man needs to walk. So it's your best say government is a continuous way. Say the Jamaica projects I can room. Yes, or want to also.
Okay.
Near was say a bind the bayano or more to project a bad year a jam. But see your back, maybe I was not expecting say President Babaka because I look at the order. It means we should start the year starting project.
Well, young man, serious alliance not to my young fire first scholar. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Sir Mike. Who are Kabore new?
Well, Kabore means you on your brain.
You remember China much for Chamarinus and a Chama Bacope. Sir Mike couldn't be. Many peace council for any country. Medical culture Saturday. And some morning will be a really dean. It will be ya dear Nanya. I don't think a young country any panel straight to say, as soon as you have been tea, the situation real. I say, would you yet? Because electoral commission or say my you can't be the peace ya. Peace is not just an absence of war. They say sumbia ni say kokwa ni o mamu oye ne ni o mamu ya de ni o mamu awuwo ni o mamu ya de we sin say we mo yenku ye ho ano na political party be the agreement ba say when wait me enye o kokwa no say ya isi ni na ye ko so le hu say we mu bi baba etinu mo nkan ni register no so now peace council. Who are person who didn't tell now referee can't send the yellow. Who say political party must stop the needless attack. The peace council is becoming irrelevant in the country. What's your show when you kind of furniture? And you made my new cinema here. The friend is a maternity ward where I can watch me. May the be chairman as a person will point it out. This is the problem with Nana Dankwa who for said. So be a baby about no penny about projects not to us because on person of money backroading. I clear a champion, you haven't know what money did.
Okay. Come on,
and you know, Papa no on pair or my input to on pair, my cost. I was 7 December. The sunlight tinting near Koto, but Tiano. No, they or then about more money or more Konagana for it or Mokoton, MadameAsumo to a farm.
So, yeah, that's it. Also, bet me up on 0200 60 sorry, 0546 728568. Good evening.
Good evening, Sir Mark. Mame mo abaso pa no producer mo boyduma na adwuma wura so Mr. Daku Sam Daku so mechiano pa chama ase mechia chama
okay
na minia hef no so mechiano pa na chama ka sembi me depa na nyamishira no woni say a champion bi a wa money din because of say a champion too Akufa aduma ban UP abagu enti omompa champion din so obeka ya sa asemi maka chiro say ma mene gigi na Akufa de yire gigi yesika no say odi kosi sa dan no aw kosi sa dan tia no because of say a champion ti na omkosi dan foforo dan tia say asase foforo asase no omkosi dan tia si ho no tufo na asho mo a chinchina say oye ntimo oye ko ma ho because a champion ti wuni abiem Electoral Commission, who had the mamino attitude or show now because peace council may do a more yapa. Say NBC can sama nampe fona sore no more dear this yatem. MPP nyama munye kromu na minya obia ni se nye papa. Chencha na mpese bisa say Dr. Napo o kromra. Napo beka say ye ba matric yina 2012 chama beka ya ye register biem ye be continue bi ntire na o mbetwa sa register na gu no makoya fufo bo mi say Dr. Napo mame
yeah that's it. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, I'm doing a free.
Yeah.
Udin.
But I say Zakaria Ibrahim Banda.
Okay, yentil.
But program I'm better basu.
Yentil.
Okay. Minia mechi obibia mechi obia program so ene moduma pa mobo. But minia NPP now to so no mechiano and then the mapa obo. That you na me question ba kwa me be say NDC for no. Diana or more new voter register no more among Pesebe. That's the question. Diana among Pesebe. Trade DNT among Pesebe new voter register. And I bet I bought Yamma Basso said, the maternity ward in a general chair and over to me at the Yuska. Sir Oba Honey, and I say, we need first lady papa, yeah, general. Next year, Honorable Joe Dankwa, the parliamentary candidate for Banda, Chief Executive Officer, Emma Middleborough Development Authority, and Banda DC, Mame Mary Akone, and Bana MPP Executive for Nina,
right. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, Zanak.
About we are free.
I'm the Batomic Free Western Region.
Okay, Uding.
Within the board with Joshua.
Okay, Joe Yentio.
The Batomi, Yata Commission, as I'm now walking, Chinchina, China, Patin in a can some I want Chassian. Nazino, Yariano, or Guinea Yarano, Sene Abaton, or Guinea Baton, Sene Ariana. I say, Mokofa, but to some Saba, say, I didn't be Chichu Mumpen for a woman as home by Guinea. Omungani City Arena Sana Betroba Troba, Yedi, Yatroba Crada, Yedium.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, we are free from Mintio.
Make us free, Asante the quiet.
What Uding?
Make us free, Asante the quiet.
Uding.
A friend and a Nakwame.
Nana Yentio.
And you may a Chairman Inusa Edanase, and then in teacher more hour de Amayan. And this is one Chuomu, and a better a pet Kuranoa. Yabaya, new register. Oh, you know, Odike, a party, and you know, Osihono. One of the Manatia here, and yet the Omo cannot. Woman, woman, says a woman and a woman to say, I don't know, there be a woman president who or non radio station to radio station who fear no who has no man with the answer and what Cassetia by no say. And then another to me, what you mean who now I find that one about Moko saying. Okay, the car has a you need to be a friend, UPP. Into the catcher woman, yet Denia Nanado. The two of them are said in Kunim.
Okay, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Okay, Mr. Yentonka, mobile for Emrani and Hesibit. Good evening. Hello. Ayana wama volume no, TV volume na perform. Na wakasa phone me better on kan pa. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, we never pass free.
Evening.
Why am I doing?
If I can do the Eastern region.
Mentio.
Patrol program. And I'm a person at Meka margin. Now, about the new registration, new voter register. Chayari asking you woman among them. Now, to register. Almost Chayari, no free. Now you see a new register. For what? For what? New register. Yes, I say, I know, we are not this year. Or school. And that's fine. And I said, another thing I want to say, now you are too far, almost a selfishness. You treat you, and then I say, now party,
right, good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, free Manoso Akana and Tion can you Adaruma? Pristia, okay.
But of no TV. So, Paka mechanic, and say, Ghana no mpanyinfoɔ no gyina ho yɛyɛ wei aba yɛ obiara sisi na mo de ni voter register na this council so mo yɛ mpanyinfoɔ mo gyina mfimfini a asɛmba mo so mo bɛka ne mo so ɛfa mo ka ho ɛne de mo ma peace council na hene bɛka sɛ bu atibiti bi ahɛ bɛka sɛ bu mo yɛ useless entity ba na yɛ ta so ho nyɛ mpanyinfoɔ asɛmba ɛfuma de mo gyina sisi mo hwɛ ni sɛ yɛbɛ ma ɔman no bɛde ɛbɛgyina na mo aka na mo mpanyinfoɔ na asɛmba na sɛ mo kɛra kɔsi a okay.
Yeah, that's it. Good evening. Hello. Okay. Good evening.
Good evening.
You are free.
Mbajami free Akim Odan Eastern Region.
Good evening.
Bajase.
Udin.
Yeah. Good evening.
Udin the same.
Hello.
Ofrano Abu Dina can be free. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Udina be free.
Look at free Libya.
Yentio.
I am from Isaac.
I can't tell free Libya.
Isaac.
I call.
You are from Isaac.
I can't tell Casa.
I'm a free Libya. Libya. Kakam bese me kale se me da wasi pa ne djuma pa moye na me sere da na mpeni mfote ye sere mo ya de na eba no ya de ne hu pa ti be ya Ghana fo ma abato ne de omunya abotra nsa na ya de no enkwa nsa na o ma to aba ye sere Ghana mpeni mfo ne bebre ene kawe because ya de ne hu pa.
Okay. Yenasi. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, free you. Ma volume no from TV volume no from Kasa yitio. Too bad. Oh fra now I'm out TV volume no akofom. You can be an ebetonka na arefo from so atonka. Good evening.
Good evening, sir, man.
Yeah, we are free.
Your first question is I will be doing the party. And that's what I'm about to. Now, the other thing is, if they should allow it, and this will keep you, I will not come into Juma. December 7th, if the majority decide
okay.
Wow,
okay, that's it. Good evening. Hello.
Yes.
Good evening.
Evening.
We have a friend from my too.
That's sorry. This because of people.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm feeling more moody. Now then, abandon you for you.
And why no? Okay. I might say, young Fuchi, Busasa Bampany for Rena Muye. Say, why are you now, sister, and I am trading? Okay. Hello. Right. Well, yes, I'm afraid for this year.
So, Mike, in fact, utie ye endis for now. What do you say? Almost no be pa. Almost no be ye. But me advice ni say. Sa omu pesa omu ye formidable part in Kwandia. Let's say in 20 years to come now, oma atmenye power. Ne omu say omu fear ye.
20 years to come.
Yes.
And then it's never power view.
Me patron.
Say why your research no is under the
my research. So when you say your political party no, it has connection all over the world. MPP has other some political ideologies AGM etum research. What must say? I know na make but maminka niente na me say NDC almost be on who kai say enche bia na almost see COVID-19 no any Ghana. Now more zongo who kai me know your program be na me car house e chere ngo for. No, any Then Namzongo Kase Yareno Ebiniha. What are they afraid of? And then I young Konkoya register, they want to hide behind COVID-19. What am I saying? Nanyo Omo Kase, my young election as a name, they should give us alternative. Omo alternative any young Tuasusa now in 2024, now and Tuapa.
Obviously, you use old register.
Old register, you saw a young Tuabana, young Q and Tuabana. Okay.
Tell me that's good.
So they should just say,
well, yes.
Yeah, UPP party. You know, be a name to yeah, can I say, easy no unfun timetable and rabonti. A put to a day in I demand on tea, and I use your proactive. On the count, and more can talk more time. I can say, Yareno, about pass or more up to your friends' registration also. Okay, Benya Kwan babies are district and regional offices now for and register Modi. So you see, oh, yeah, then no quality, no money detail. No one parley your friends say, you bet to about it media too. But master quality of free fee, a year back quiet. And politics no. Who deep upon that, no one about party, no upon your papa. Tia best Musam Colani, I don't know. Musi Ekasaniadi.
Baba, I can't say Yakola, Uni and I what tell the voice now.
Voice in a South India to me, and make a cancer. Maturity,
Baba, you people come on. A home office.
Your office, you know,
now you people, a certain region, you Kumasi more offices, Morita office, okay, and in Shasu, we Mokonis office way.
You go say here to Tony.
Namunya Hakama.
Sir Mike may say your office over where you executive consul says executive over
Crosby.
Me trouble.
Right. Let us see. I had a near the SC Chairman Crosby Charles Ama, Ashanti Regional Chairman UPP. So and Chairman Sedu, a National Communication Team member for the NPP Regional Coordinator Edema Hefra, and also Ebeka Home. Evasida Emfa Ma Frank Kobe Frank Bernard Ade Loretta Augustina, Executive Producer Samuel Dakon, and then Director Sam Dakus. Now Phoebe so Enkoma Ochinozo the one. Mimiding Eddie Michael Nana Adom Akobe from Mr. Mike. Yami Adom no the chair Ochina 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Ibisia. Shenenson say wo ebet me abo ho ban na aka obi nso so. Sinupi no mani nyina sinupi no mani nkoso yakramo. So ebe betum pon a ignan hye a amammu mpanifo eye. Omanfo no so atumi aboa ama oman no atumi apija. Ifira tifi ekwa toye. Epuye ekosi anafo. Obi a kye na adwen. Ebi so oman na ekoso, ebi so oman na nkoso. Ebi no se mfa so bo no man so ntwerefo. Enu ti na Kumawu television. Yakofa dwuma de ato no din Sinupi ede ebrewo. Sinupi amanyosem. Sinupi ensem a ye bom osukọ ene ebedwafo ahia. Edwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Share na ene abedwafo ahia.